welcome back to Nicole's DIY. Hey, I want to welcome you to my channel. If you're a first-time viewer, I just want to thank you so much. I hope you enjoy these DIYs as much as I do making them. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much. You got me to over 100. Y'all are awesome, and I want to thank you so much. So let's get started. Today we're working on this really adorable gift bag, and what we're going to do with this is a Dollar Tree gift bag, and you are going to put these in beautiful little frames from the Dollar Tree, and it's going to be a little piece of artwork on your table, on your wall, wherever you want to put them. And they do have the easel on them, so I picked the ones with the easel. Don't get the ones that are for certificates, or you can, but they're not going to stand up on their own. So make sure you get the ones that they're portraits for that they have the easels on them. So let's get started. All right, there you have it, y'all. Beautiful gift bags that we have transformed into lovely pieces of art. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share and like. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, be blessed.